We are all tired of dealing with COVID-19, but the pandemic is really hitting hard those on the front lines, healthcare workers, extremely hard. And some workers need help themselves. And now many have a new resource to turn to. Tom Durian explains.
As fatigued as you and I and the rest of the community are about dealings with COVID, so is the Frontline.
Ascension, Wisconsin Chief Nursing Officer Heather Shimmers has spent years as a nurse caring for sick patients, but never has she or her colleagues cared for so many for so long with no end in sight.
Our patients are sicker. There's no doubt about it. They're coming in a little bit more sick than what we're used to seeing.
The number of patients, the number of deaths is wearing on frontline healthcare workers. So late last week, leaders at Ascension launched an internal website for employees called My Care, a site where they can get physical, spiritual, emotional, mental, and occupational support.
We're promoting psychological resilience for our associates, right? We need them on the front lines, caring for our patients, caring for families, and caring for each other.
It's not just the sickness and death. Many workers are pulling extra long shifts, and like the rest of us, they have to deal with all that's happening at home. Financial struggles, virtual learning, and more brought on by the pandemic. In addition to the website, at all Ascension hospitals, they are creating respite rooms for frontline workers.
They can sit in a safe area that is secluded from others. It's socially distanced.
A place away from the nursing floor with recliners, snacks, and just a quiet place to sit. And for those who think they signed up for this, that all of this is normal for a healthcare worker,
it really isn't, right? Specifically at this pace.
This is different. This is different. I've been in healthcare for a long time, and this is unlike anything we've ever encountered.
They're getting help on the inside, so how can you help on the outside?
We're pleading with people to please listen to those suggestions on how to slow the spread and help us. Just help us.
And that is just a peek at Ascension, Wisconsin. There are several other facilities and thousands of more patients across the state. Reporting in Milwaukee, Tom Durian, TMJ4 News.